Hello everyone, first we're going to divide our hair into two, making one ponytail at each side. Then we are going to separate it into two parts. Then we're going to start making the braids like this by taking little amount of hair in each braid. Then we're going to repeat the same with the other side as well. When your braids are ready, we are going to join both of them together. Then we are going to make a final braid and then folding it into half. And now you can see your beautiful hairstyle is done. Next we are going to section our hair into two, then making two braids. After that we are going to fold it at the opposite side and adding these beautiful clutches. Next we are going to take two ponytails, leaving some hair untied at the bottom, then taking the ponytail at one side, folding it once with the help of this tool. Then we're going to divide it into two parts, making two braids like this and joining them both at the bottom, and it is ready. Next we're going to section our hair into two, then we're going to make some ponytails at the top like this. Then we are going to add these colorful threads in our ponytail and continue making these beautiful braids. When your braids are ready, we're going to open the low ponytail like this, and now you can see we are going to make a final high ponytails connected with the braids. Next we are going to take braids at both of the sides and then making some more braids like these, and then we are going to fold it out by using this red rubber band and making this beautiful heart at each side. Next we're going to take two ponytails joined with the braids, then we're going to take the ponies, folding it into simple round shaped buns, and now adding these beautiful red puffed rubber bands, and now you can see it's ready. Next we're going to take two ponytails, taking some hair untied, taking that hair and making four ponies at the bottom. Then we're going to join that ponytail into one. After that we are going to join them to the ponytails we have made at the side, further converting them into simple round shaped buns, and it is ready. Next we are going to take one pony, one braid at each side, folding the ponytail once and dividing it into two braids. Then we're going to fold the braids like this into half and then adding these beautiful bows. Section our hair into two, taking one side. Then we're going to start making the braid by dividing the hair into three. When the braid is ready, we're going to take the remaining hair from that side, dividing it into two, then joining it along with the braid and then adding a rubber band, folding it once, and now you can see your hairstyle is ready. Repeat the same step with the other side as well. Next we're going to section our hair into two, making one ponytail at each side, then folding it once, further dividing it into two parts. Then we're going to start making the braid by taking little amount of hair from one side only and including it in this braid. After the braid is ready, we are going to repeat the same step with the other side as well. Then we're going to join the braids with the remaining hair like this, and it is ready.